Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Like everyone, I am in quarantine and staying at home in self-isolation and social distancing and confinement. I'm just saying all the words that we are using for what we are feeling right now. Now I'm gonna redecorate my room. I'm gonna change few stuff, you know, just to like give it a different vibe, because like everyone, I've been spending more time here forever. This is also where I film my makeup videos, my fashion videos, so I want to give like a whole vibe. We are now gonna redecorate everything, and like everyone, self-isolation means that you cannot go and buy stuff. So I'm gonna change my room and I'm gonna show you everything. Let's go.
I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip, this. Tell them run it up. No.
Okay, so here is the mess. So basically, I have two plants there. This is not gonna move. Then I have this is for my bed, and this is what we are gonna change. So we are gonna change the bed. I'm gonna remove these, and also maybe like change this. So I woke up, did my makeup, I left it so because I know I was gonna move it. So yeah, and this is the makeup mess that we are gonna make sure to put it back in. And then we have a little bit here. So yeah, we are gonna arrange the room and redecorate. So I'm gonna put you guys so that you can see what I'm gonna do, and let's hope that it's gonna go well. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, of course what we are going to do, we are gonna start by changing the bed sheets, so between the sheets and everything. So I am going for a full white look, so this is why you're gonna see a lot of white in this video. So we are making the bed. My bed is very low, just because we do feel that we sleep better on our lower bed. By the way, if you are like me and you do feel that you sleep better lower, because like when I was a kid, I always used to love sleeping on the floor. Okay, I grew up also in the Caribbean and it was hot and the floor was always cold, so maybe that was my own hair, you know. But hey, I love sleeping like on the floor, and when we were in Bali, we did really enjoy sleeping on lower beds. So this is why ours is lower. Maybe we'll go back to higher. Okay, now yes, you are seeing right. Yeah. The girl is ironing her. Yeah, I know, her pillowcases. I have no issue with that, just because it was so damn, like it was, I don't like a lot of freckles on my stuff. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna iron it and it will be way better. And I am so glad that I did iron my sheets. So yeah, there we go. Now the bed is almost done. We are gonna go to do everything else. So my curtains are see-through white curtains. I did buy these a long time ago, saying to myself, you will put them, but I really did like my old curtains, so this is why I didn't change. So here I am just putting it, and we'll be almost done. So now I am half done. So I've done the bed, I've changed. Oh, it's so bright and crispy. I am in love. So now I'm just like gonna continue. Yes, are you ready for the final revelation? Let's go.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
And that gives you a little bit of idea just to like rearrange your space at home with what you already have. And just like these little changes is making me feel so much better. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel right now. Make sure you stay tuned here. I have no upload this, but I do upload every week. So yeah, you guys, make sure you stay safe. Do not go out if you don't have to, and stay at home. Thank you, and comment below what are you doing during this quarantine time. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.